The Infinix X5 is Infinix's latest smartphone in their X lineup. The phone is the sixth version in the X lineup, and that is due to the release of Infinix S3X before the X4. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. All variant comes with a 6.6 inches HD plus display with 720 by 1600 pixels and 20 by 9 aspect ratio. And on this display is an hole punch that houses the front camera. And talking about cameras, the phone has 4 rear cameras, which are the 16 megapixel main sensor, 5 megapixel ultra wide and macro lens, 2 megapixel depth sensor and 0.8 megapixel no light sensor. To the front of this smartphone, it has a 32 megapixel forward-facing camera that comes with face unlock system for security, plus the rear fingerprint scanner also for security. As for processor, the phone comes with MediaTek Helio P22 processor, Android 9.0 Pie and Infinix SOS 5.5 OS. It comes with a 4000 mAh battery that supports fast charging. As for the pricing, the Infinix H5 Lite with 3GB RAM and 32GB of internal storage is 42,500 naira, and that of 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage is 46,500 naira. The normal X5 is 53,000 naira and the higher X5 is priced at 62,500 naira. The phone is available in Nebula Black, Violet and Quasi Cyan. The smartphone will be available to purchase in the Nigerian market by November 13, but before then, you can pre-order it to just 5,000 naira and you will win one HD Bluetooth headset for free if you pre-order. If there is any question you have to ask me based on what you just saw, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.